Hello and welcome to the Tool Wall, where time is the most valuable tool. Today I have the, I believe I'm saying this right, Hakko. It is a cutter, micro clean cutting wire cutters. It says made in Italy. It's got it on Amazon for about, I believe it was $8. And they also have a website here, hakkousa.com. So I'm going to open this up. Wow, it has a really nice grip, rubberized all the way up to the end here. Feels ergonomic. Looks like it's quality steel. Has it spring loaded back here. Smooth operation. Cutters look like they come together pretty well. Nice, should make some nice clean cuts. Just cut this plastic. Yeah, nice clean cut there. Alright, I got some wire ties. Loop this wire up. And we'll see what it does. I mainly got this to, I have a nice clean cut on these wire ties, so I just line it up there. Excellent. Very nice. Clean cut. There's no like leftover material. Nice and clean cut there. Let's cut some wire. This is, I believe, 16 gauge speaker wire. We'll just cut that there. Nice clean cut. Yeah. That's a pretty good tool. And a few more cuts here. These are going to be very handy. All right. Make sure it's on the blade. Yep. Excellent. So yeah, cuts through thin plastic, such as wire ties, and up to 16 gauge cable or wire. So yeah, good deal. And check it out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.